Hello everyone, welcome back again to one more video. And today I bring you the start of this female figure, okay? And like I always said, guys, be gentle, don't put too much. If you are putting too much, it's not good. You see how it's pointing? So here on my Patreon you are going to make a lot of figures, and with that, on the mix we have, I am going to put one drop of white and mix. I have water on my brush, so I'm not going to use any thinner. Let's mix this nice. So now it's more white, and we go again. You see? You see? Little by little. So if you, this serves for any questions about painting with inks too. Okay, so we give illusions on this. So it's ready. I'm going to make some pictures, and on the next video we are going to continue on the cape, doing the parts that are repeats and these all details, and we are start with some of the cloths of these leathers on the figure. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching, and I catch you up on the next video. Bye guys.